Introducing the Skid Pro Mini Stump Grinder. I'm Patrick Wolf with Skid Pro. Let's roll that beautiful stump footage. Mini skid steers, though extremely versatile and capable, do not have a lot of power. So most mini skid steers come in at that magic 24.8 horsepower. And that has to run both the movement of the loader and the hydraulic pump. With a limit on power, this made operating a stump grinder a real problem, until now. The Skid Pro difference is a groundbreaking design that channels 100% of the hydraulic power available directly to the cutting wheel, eliminating any diversion from the drive motor. This innovative approach distinguishes it from the conventional swing arm designs, making it the preferred choice for all mini skid loaders where power efficiency is paramount. Let's start with the heart of this mini stump grinder, a powerful direct drive motor, making it a true force to be reckoned with. And because this unit does not have additional components that suck hydraulic fluid away from the spinning blades, all of that power goes directly into shredding stumps. Equipped with a robust 16-inch wide cutting wheel and 12 carbide green style teeth placed around a 1/2 inch thick steel rotor and can be rotated 3 times, essentially giving you 3 teeth in one. The green style tooth has been used in the forestry industry for decades and are at home cutting down stumps both above and below grade. They are easy to find, inexpensive, and durable. This little Titan boasts a class-leading 12-inch wide horizontal cut and an impressive 2-inch depth of cut, ensuring swift and effective stump removal. Also noteworthy is its ability to cut below grade, reaching depths of up to 6 inches underground, a feature that outshines many competitors in the mini market. And unlike traditional designs, our mini grinder excels on inclines, providing unmatched versatility across various terrains. This design also offers best-in-class visibility, giving the operator a clear view of the stump through the whole grinding process. The unique rotor position enhances visibility and eliminates obstructions, while a heavy-duty deflector guides debris safely onto the ground. This simple design comes ready to go, equipped with either a Toro Dingo or Bobcat MT attachment plate, and a motor that matches the flow rating of your mini skid loader. Within minutes of receiving your attachment, you can be tearing into stumps. For comprehensive details on this stump grinder or any of our attachments, contact your knowledgeable product guru at 877-378-4642 or check out skidpro.com.